Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 479 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, in this beautiful packaging, I have the Karite. Not sure how to pronounce this brand name because I've never heard of them before, never tried any products from this brand, but this is their glitter eyeliner. And I got this from JB & Eve's. This is the last product that I have to try out from my JB & Eve's haul. So if you want to see that video of my haul, I will link that down below. But so I got this in the shade 5, and I'm really excited to just get into this. And first off, let's see how this applicator looks. Good. This is a brush applicator. Those hard felt tip applicators or even just a larger doe foot applicator is hard for me to work with when it comes to liquid eyeliners, but this brush tip will hopefully be easy for me to work with. But let's start out by swatching. Oh, okay. So it's not a solid glitter line. It is a clear liquid with it's kind of like it's like a dark silver shade, and that's what the sparkles are. So you can see here, it's sparkly, has some shine to it, but it's not solid sparkle or solid color. So that's a little bit different than what I was expecting, but products like this are great on top of other eyeliners or just where you want more of a subtle amount of glitter, or on top of any other makeup product that you want to add glitter to. But for today, I am just going to try it out on its own to see how it does at, I'm going to just start out by lining my upper lash line. I seriously feel like my eyelashes have gotten so long that it actually does kind of make it a little bit difficult to line my upper lash line. And I really do think that my lash growth is due to the Lancome mascara primer that I use every day now, which if you want to see my review on that, I will link that video down below. And I use a lash growth serum called Babe Lash, but honestly I've been pretty bad about using it regularly these days, but my lashes are still really growing and looking great. Therefore, I do think it's because of that Lancome primer. But now that I'm seeing this glitter eyeliner on my eye, it does look good. It looks more solid on my eye than it looked on the swatch here. Like, there is definitely a noticeable glitter line where I don't feel like I need to put down another eyeliner before applying this. It actually looks really nice. But for the fun of it, I'm gonna go on top of it with another layer and see if I can build up that sparkle. Okay, yeah, that is buildable, and it looks so good. It's so sparkly. Oh my gosh, okay. I was a little apprehensive at first when I saw the swatch, but I love this. I do feel like it's the perfect color, and the sparkle catches the light so beautifully. So you know what I think this would also be great for is doing a glitter cut crease. I definitely want to use this for that type of makeup look soon, so maybe I'll upload a video on how I do that. Let me know if that's something you'd like to see. Now I'm going to see if I can turn this into a glittery wing. I really do like this applicator. It's flexible and it does hold a decent amount of product. I mean, it works. You can definitely get a glittery wing from this. My wing is definitely not beautiful, but... And now, for the fun of it, I'm going to take this along my lower lash line as well. I'm actually finding this a lot easier to work with than I was expecting. Okay, let me do a zoomed in view so that you can see how great this looks and how sparkly it really is. I am actually so impressed by this. I'm not very impressed by my liquid eyeliner skills right now, especially not impressed by my wing skill, but this looks so cool. I'm actually so happy that I have this in my collection. It's something that I feel really inspired by to create some really fun, sparkly, kind of like edgy looks. And then it does dry down, absolutely no transfer, not fading at all. So I also love that it's not gonna budge. It's super long lasting. So seriously, I could not have asked for anything different. I am so happy with this product. I highly recommend it. Well, now I think it's time that I place another JB and Eve's haul because seriously, I think I loved all of my products that I tried from JB and Eve's. Like, I was so impressed. It's so affordable. I highly recommend that website if you have not tried it yet before. And if you have, let me know in the comments down below some of your favorite JB and Eve's products and any recommendations that you have that I should pick up with my next haul. And of course, I look so funny with only my eyeliner on one eye. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.